do ornaments. Today I will show you how to create a goth Christmas ornament. Join me.
So I'm going to show you the lineup of stuff today. I've got my water, my silver spray paint, some wires to hang. I got my little bucket and our Christmas balls. So let's get started. First thing I did was I filled our bucket up with some water here. So let's put some spray paint in there and coat the surface. Okay, here we go. Yes! Kind of fun part. Do this in a well-ventilated place. Okay, once you get that marbling established, now it's time for the fun. Work quickly, take the ball where you want it, dip it in, pull it out. Should come out like that. Okay, again, spray the surface, be very, very quick about it, dip it in, pull it out, you're gonna have an awesome ball, looks like that. Okay, I'm doing the third one today. Spray it up. Fire where you want to do it, dip it in quick, pull it up. This one came out really killer. I love it. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you don't do it quickly. This mess occurs. It went in, it dipped, and it collected all of the spray paint. So basically I wasted a ball here. I'd have to clean it off in order to use it, but right now they're freebies. It's gonna go away. Anyways, good tip, huh? I am doing this outside, so basically I have hung them up on wires to let them dry, let them air dry. Today we have a perfect day. It's a perfect spring day. So I'm out here, I'm gonna let these guys dry. I'll come back this afternoon and pick them up and take them home.